This secret tool is used by the best creators to turn their audiences into millions of dollars every year. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use this in the digital world to make a ton of money. Alright, so let's get started. We have here the funnel, and then we have the top of the funnel that's here, the middle of the funnel, and then the bottom of the funnel. And here we have the audiences, okay? There's different type of audiences. So for the top of the funnel, what you're gonna be doing is to make a broad kind of content. Let's say that you are focusing on helping people become more productive. So here, a lot of people will watch, like by default, you're gonna see a lot of people watching your video broad. They might not even be interested in what you're offering or you offer. So you make a lot of content here that is broad content, okay? There might be viral content, but it's like more not niched, but you talk still about your niche, productivity. I'm not telling you like to make content about gaming, because if you make content about gaming and then change to productivity, no one's gonna watch. So you have to make a broad video about productivity that's interesting and curiosity. So here we have it. You give a lot of value from this content, and then you'll see slowly people leaving, that they're watching the video, they're not gonna come back. So let me show you now, for example, how you will make this audience become more interested into your videos or your offers or your product. So now we're gonna kick out those who are not gonna be interested anymore. Let's say funnel. So we have just the white ones. What does it mean is that you made that content and you attracted people who are deeply interested in productivity, for example. So now what happens, you make content or you give freebies. The freebies that you're given, for example, on the top of the funnel, people who join the email or people who just stick to your videos and now are watching more of your videos to get to know more. So here you provide even more value than you given on the general kind of broad of content, because that's not really giving value but just bringing attention to people. So now here you make more niche topic kind of videos and or more niche emails that you send them regularly. And then people are interested. They go, oh, I really want more. I really want to know more about productivity. I actually want to become more productive. So what happened is that, as you can see, there's a lot of people here on the middle of the funnel. But the thing is, some desire it, some are interested, but they won't buy. They won't take action. So that's when the bottom of the funnel comes. So here's the bottom of the funnel. This is the last place, okay? This is where you've built a rapport with your audience from the top, okay? They just got to know you. Oh, this is guy, they clicked onto your video. They got more interested into your content. They got to the middle of the funnel where they're interested. Now they're watching. They would be able to watch an hour video. So you give them this some free value, so much value that they are ready to take action on what you're telling them to do. Now you direct them to your sales page, okay? You've done emails, you give them freebies and all of that. So the bottom of the funnel is the sales page. So what are you gonna be doing on the sales page is trying now to convince them to take action, okay? We have the top, which is attention, awareness. The middle is to build interest and desire. And the bottom is for them to take action. So you have your sales page, and you try to break the belief that they have. You convince them that, you know, this is the solution to their problem to become more productive. And then you give them more benefits. You show the testimonial. You show that you've worked with other people. You show credibility. And then what happens is that they will be more convinced to take action. So you add more guarantees about, okay, if this doesn't work, I'll give you your money back. And what happens, well, after they hear in the bottom of the funnel, they will finally take action. But my friends, this doesn't end here, because you got them to buy your product, okay? You got them to take action. But there's this small step left. Let me explain you why. Because they buy, okay, you convince them to buy your product, but if the product sucks, they're gonna leave. This is what's gonna happen. They get in, they leave, they die. They just, you know, they just fall. So what you should be doing is closing this funnel to make them like, oh, I'm very happy about it. This funnel is very amazing. And then they will recommend it to other people. So this is what you should be doing, okay? There's this funnel, you get it in, he's stuck, he can't go out. He's stuck, he can't go out. He's stuck, he loves the product. And this is what the funnel works. I don't know if the explanation is great. I tried my best. So let me know if you now understand how to make your audience buy. And this is how what creators do. But of course, they're not gonna use this. It's like virtual funnel. So If you want a funnel to be built for you, call me. Book a call down below in the description.